let us understand the measuring process in physics. Measurement means comparing a physical quantity with a standard unit of same kind. तो याद रखना measurement हमेशा एक comparison होता है and the standard used for the comparison is called a unit. For example, length is measured in meters, mass is measured in kilograms and time in seconds. A unit is an internationally accepted standard for measurement. The basic formula for measurement we already studied it. Physical quantity is equals to numerical value multiplied by unit. For example, if length of a table is 5 meter, then 5 is the numerical value and meter is the unit. Master this concept because it is the foundation of entire physics syllabus. Okay. Now let's understand the concept of mass and concept of length. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Every material object has mass, so mass can never be zero. It also does not change with location. Whether you are on Earth, on Moon, the SI unit of mass is always kilogram, written as kg. For example, a body with mass of 5 kilogram contains 5 times the standard kilogram. Now let's talk about length. Length is the distance between the two extreme ends of an object. The SI unit of length is meter, represented by small m. Some common examples are length of table, height of a person and distance between two cities. Remember, mass tells us how much matter an object contains, while length tells us how far apart two points are. Time is the measure of duration between two events. In simple words, it tells us how long an event lasts. Albert Einstein beautifully said that time is what clock reads. The SI unit of time is second, represented by symbol S. Examples of time measurement include the time taken to complete an exam, time required to travel from home to school, and so on. Now some important characteristics of a standard unit. It should be of suitable size. It should be accurately defined, easy to produce, available everywhere, and it should not change with time, temperature, pressure, or any other physical quantity. These qualities ensure that measurements remain accurate, reliable, and universally accepted. System of units. It is a complete set of units used to measure physical quantities like length, mass, and time. There are 4 important systems of units. First is FPS system, which stands for foot, pound, and second. It was mainly used in British engineering. Second is CGS system, used for centimeter, gram, and second. It was widely used in older scientific works. And third is MKS system, which uses meter, kilogram, and second. This system became the foundation of SI system. Finally, we have International System of Units, or SI systems. It is the globally accepted system of measurement, officially adopted in 1971 and recommended by General Conference on Weights and Measurement. SI systems are preferred over all other systems of unit because it offers universal acceptance, easy scientific communication, accurate and consistent measurements, and simpler calculations. You can note down these points, and please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.